This easy step training session will demonstrate the Imperial Feet solutions with innovative and professional products, tools and techniques that brighten your knowledge and ultimately grow your business. At Imperial Feet, we believe in delivering a complete and professional foot care experience. Here's our step-by-step treatment for healthy, happy feet. Begin with an analysis of your client's feet to identify their needs. Make sure your client is seated comfortably in the pedicure chair. Then carefully examine their feet. This not only helps you understand the right treatment, but also builds trust and long-term relationships. You may choose to start with foot deo spray. Just 2 quick bumps will refresh your client's feet and eliminate any odor, preparing them for the next step. Next, remove any nail polish and carefully check the skin between the toes and under the soles of the feet, making note of any irregularities. You can also choose to add magnesium oil to the lower legs. Applying magnesium oil at the beginning of the treatment helps prepare both the feet and the client for the surface. It relaxes muscles, and magnesium is known for reducing tension and soothing tired feet and legs, making the client feel instantly more comfortable. It also stimulates circulation, improves blood flow, which supports healthier skin and nails, and enhances the effect of the treatment. Exfoliate the skin with our gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells, applying it to both the feet and lower legs. Massage in circular motions, then add a little water to emulsify the scrub. Wrap the lower legs in warm or cool towels for a detoxifying effect. Apply a small amount of cuticle remover to the nails and allow it to work for 60 seconds. Next, spray the callus remover or callus softener onto the thickened areas. For best results, let the product absorb for 3 to 5 minutes. While the callus remover is working, carefully clean the nails. Trim the toenails clean under the nail fold and free edge. Shape the free edge, tidy the cuticle area and gently buff the nail plate. Once the skin is no longer damp, file the soles, paying special attention to the back of the heels using the sterilizable stainless steel foot file from Imperial Feet. Reapply callus softener or cuticle remover if needed. Notice how effectively the callus softener and foot file work together. Finally, wipe the feet with a soft towel. Do not rinse with water, as the product will continue to hydrate the skin. Use an e-file to clean the nails more thoroughly and apply toe fungus solution where needed. Provide the product for clients to continue their treatment at home and recommend they return every 6 weeks for follow-up care. Rejuvenate the feet with a Urea Foot Balm or any of our Imperial Feet balms, focusing on dry and calloused areas. Massage into the skin. Pay special attention to the dry and callous areas, instantly hydrating the skin without being greasy. Finish the treatment by advising your client on the best Imperial Feet home care products to maintain their best results between visits. With the Imperial Feet step treatment, your clients will leave with soft, fresh and healthy feet.